Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2016 Chevrolet Camaro RS. This one's fitted with the automatic transmission, and of course, being the RS, it has the 3.6 liter V6. Not bad trunk space for this segment. It is brutally hot out today. This is the 1LT trim, so nice cloth seats. Nightfall gray metallic. Does look really quite good. I am getting in the car because it's like 90 degrees, 80% humidity, and no breeze. All your books, manuals. Really nice car, honestly. Visibility is not that bad. Definitely am able to see out of it. Not helped by the two window stickers there, actually, but go ahead, we'll start in normal drive, then work our way over to the paddles. Does drive really well. I was gonna say this is the first Camaro I've ever driven V6. I've driven a manual and automatic SS, but I just remembered I test drove before I bought my Challenger. I mean, it was 2 miles, so it's not really driving it. But drove that manual V6 1LE, which was quite a lot of fun, if I'm going to be honest. I am a big fan of GM's 3.6. Has a great sound to it, plenty of power, just about 300 horse, or a little over 300 horsepower. So it's plenty for most people. Brake pedal feel is really good. Love the frameless rear view mirror. Back in 2016, that was a breakthrough for these cars. Not a lot of cars had that frameless rear view mirror. Wow. sounds so good for a V6. This is part of our certified pre-owned inventory, which comes with 1 year 24/7 roadside assistance, 1 year travel expense reimbursement if the car breaks down. We'll pay for the hotel and stuff like that, and 1 year tire hazard protection. Does drive really well. Handling is nice, nimble. Not a lot of back roads around here near the dealership, and I don't want to put a ton of miles on these cars, so that's why I've kind of stuck to this route. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.